opened our doors to a world of timeless sparkle. Personalized luxury found a new address.
Your jewelry should depict you, your personality. It should not be anything standardized you wear from everyday market.
Everyone's dream is to wear diamonds. I just hope that everyone comes to this store, Novara, goes global and shines forever and everywhere.
Novara Diamonds is now open.